In this video, I'm going to show you how to bend an object in Blender. First, let's add an object that we want to bend. Just press Shift and A, and in my case, I'm going to use a cylinder. So after adding my cylinder, I'll just click on the Add Cylinder. So I'm just gonna set the depth around 10 and hit enter. After that, we will just go to the edit mode by just clicking on the tab button on your keyboard and just right click on it and choose to subdivide. And for the subdivides, I'm just gonna add 30 and hit enter. Now you can just go back to the object mode. And once that the object that you want to bend is selected, just go to the right hand side and go to modifier properties. Just click on add modifier and you will see deform option. Just choose simple deform from the options and you will see we have successfully bent our object, but this is not what we want. Just go to the bend, and if you click and scroll it either way, you will see we can successfully bend our object in Blender. You can also change the axis depending on the direction that you want to bend. So just go to the y-axis and you can now bend in the y-axis, but bending in the z-axis won't change anything in this case. So just use the x and y axis. And that's it. That's how you bend an object in Blender. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to GuideRealm for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.